Here's a recipe for a perfect off-roader: 6 wheels, 3 axles, locking differentials, ginormous tires, high-performance suspension, and an extremely overpowered engine. It might sound like a simple engineering project, but only a handful of manufacturers around the globe are attempting to modify trucks in such a fashion. In today's video, we'll cover the new 6x6 pickup conversions that will be arriving in 2023 and beyond. Subscribe to Automotive territory and do not miss the world's mightiest trucks. Enjoy the ride! Apocalypse Juggernaut. Only a truly observant enthusiast would be able to identify the RAM 1500 TRX hidden beneath this imposing 6-wheel drive creation crafted by the Florida-based Apocalypse. Their brand's Juggernaut project takes their prior expertise and the TRX modifications to the new extremes, adding an extra axle and completely reworking the body. The 6x6 showcases a brand new angular front design featuring a massive steel grille and bumper, along with significantly widened fenders to accommodate 22-inch wheels wrapped in 40-inch tires. To make space for the additional pair of wheels, the truck's bed has been extended to over 8 feet and includes a remote-control power rolling bed cover for convenience. Thanks to the Ram's 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, the power has been increased to 850 HP, enabling an impressive towing capacity of 20,000 pounds. Apocalypse also claims that the Juggernaut boasts the most spacious cab ever produced, capable of comfortably accommodating a 7-foot-tall passenger, and it features the largest rear bench seat in the industry. Plus, if you need to transport more people, the truck has recently been launched in an 11-passenger version, labeled the Juggernaut Razorback. It has its own unique front end, 6 removable seats in the bed, and a roll bar for passenger protection. Brabus XLP 800 6x6 Adventure and XLP 900 Superblack 6x6. Brabus has recently joined the League of Tuners, creating impressive 6x6 off-roaders based on the renowned Geländewagen chassis. The Brabus modified Mercedes-AMG G63 features 6 driven wheels with 3 specially engineered portal axles and an independent suspension, enabling the adventure pickup to effortlessly conquer any terrain with a remarkable ground clearance of approximately 18 inches. Demonstrating rugged off-road capabilities are the 6 22-inch Brabus monoblock forged HD wheels and the White Star carbon fiber exterior concept. The front of the vehicle showcases a carbon fiber under-ride guard, an integrated winch, power view hood, mirror caps, door handles, and air inlets. Under the hood, the Brabus XLP 800 6x6 Adventure is powered by a 4-liter Brabus twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 800 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, while the XLP 900 Superblack boasts a 4.5-liter displacement, providing 900 HP output and 922 pound-feet of twist. The cabin exudes luxury with black leather and dynamic microfiber, featuring the distinctive Brabus triangle quilting pattern and heritage brand pattern, paying tribute to the brand's founding year. Hennessey VelociRaptoR 6x6. The VelociRaptor moniker has already become a staple for the Texas-based tuner and hypercar manufacturer Hennessey Performance. First introduced for the previous generation F-150 Raptor, it is now available for the Ranger and Bronco Raptor models. However, this particular beastly 6x6 truck is undoubtedly the king among all VelociRaptors. Based on the new 3rd generation F-150, it gets plenty of modifications that go well beyond simply adding an extra set of wheels. Hennessey's engineers equipped the truck with the advanced Fox suspension and dual locking rear axles, resulting in an impressive 50% increase in tractive grip. The model gets a 3-inch lift, new 20-inch wheels with 6-piston Brabus, and huge 37-inch off-road tires. The front and rear bumpers are strengthened and VelociRaptor branded. The lighting is all LED, and the truck's bed is expanded to measure 8 feet in length and offer 45% more volume than the stock model. Finally, Hennessey did some work on the powertrain system, so the Raptor's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 is now good for 558 horses and 672 pound-feet. This is made possible by improved air induction, a new high-capacity intercooler, and an upgraded engine management system. Boss Toyota Landcruiser 6x6. Before delving into the business of vehicle upgrades and customizations, this Melbourne-based company earned a reputation as a producer of ultra-reliable and off-road-oriented aluminum U-trays, canopies, and toolboxes. In partnership with GMACX, Boss Aluminum now offers a high-end 6x6 conversion kit for the 70 series and the 200 series Landcruisers. The process starts with Boss removing the rear section of the original frame and welding a GMACX replacement frame with straight rails, heavy-duty housings, a 2-inch lift, and GMACX Pro Series shocks. The second and the third axles are connected through a pass-through centrifugal clutch, which will lock the third axle in case the second lacks traction. Optionally, Boss can install a 4-inch lift kit, which also allows fitting beefier 35-inch tires. For extreme off-roading, the company offers a vast list of additional features, such as a 150-liter replacement fuel tank, a 90-liter stainless headboard water tank, airbag suspension, a brake booster, and electric remote reservoir shocks. Hennessey Mammoth 6x6. The biggest RAM TRX version by Hennessey is poised to claim the title of the most extensive custom project in the entire 30-year-long history of the mark. After Hennessey is done with it, this colossal 6x6 truck stretches to 283 inches in length, towers nearly 7 feet in height, and spans 88 inches in width. Performance-wise, the Mammoth eclipses all possible competitors. Its 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 engine receives a substantial boost with a high-flow 2.65 supercharger, new fuel injectors, and a high-flow induction system, all complemented by performance-optimized calibration. The net result is the astonishing output of 1,015 horsepower and 969 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to shine even on the drag strip. Furthermore, the Mammoth 6x6 proves itself as an outstanding off-roader, boasting such features as a third axle equipped with lockable differential, a front leveling kit, 20-inch 10-spoke wheels, and 37-inch off-road tires. To set it apart from a standard RAM TRX, the Mammoth receives serial number plates, distinctive exterior badges, customized bumpers with built-in LED lights, upgraded electronic fold-out steps, and embroidered headrests. The addition of the third axle extends the vehicle's length by an impressive 4 feet, resulting in an extraordinarily spacious truck bed. This is the most comprehensive review of new 6x6 trucks on YouTube. Support our efforts of reporting automotive news by smashing the like button and watching this video till the end. Thanks for being with us, and let's keep rolling. OSC G-Force 66. After Klaus Saria and Heinrich Schwartz combined their mechanical engineering and Daimler test engineering backgrounds, Austria welcomed a new automotive tuner with a deep-rooted passion for off-roading. Orange Solutions and Components, aka OST, began their journey with the transformation of the most iconic machine in the business, the Mercedes-AMG G63. The beast was turned into a pickup truck with a double cab, and its capabilities were expanded with an extended reinforced frame, added axle, portal gearboxes, reinforced front suspension, and 2.65-inch high-performance shocks. The G-Force 66 is nearly 10 inches taller and wider. This change comes from the installation of new carbon fiber fender flares and huge 37 by 12.5-inch R20 MT tires with a central inflation system. The base engine of the 6x6 Gallant wagon remained unaltered, so the G-Force is still equipped with a handcrafted 4-liter V8 bi-turbo that makes 585 horses and 627 pound-feet of torque. EarthCruiser Extreme 330 XTR 6x6. The most unusual entry on today's list is a 6x6 camper designed by the Australian EarthCruiser. The model starts with the chassis of the 79 series Toyota Landcruiser, benefiting from numerous CAD-modeled and CNC laser-cut extensions and reinforcements. The truck gains a 5-inch lift and 3 portal axles, with the front one growing 1,100 pounds stronger. Also fitted is the new airbag suspension system that includes military-spec HD sway bars, custom-built HD Bilstein shocks, and steering dampers. Instead of stock wheels, the 6x6 rides on 17-inch EarthCruiser forged alloys wrapped in 35-inch Federal Explorer mud terrain tires. The new bogie drive system of the truck was developed by 6x6 Australia. It allows for full load sharing between the 3 axles and includes 10 and 9-inch Ford differentials with the ARB lockers. The power is still supplied by the Toyota V8 turbo diesel that can be paired with a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. And surely, the Extreme 330 XTR 6x6 comes loaded with camper amenities, which include huge water tanks, split-system air conditioning, solar, and even a built-in Starlink. Megaraptor 6x6. The one-off Megaraptor started as a relatively worn-out Ford F-350 with around 200 miles on the dash. To turn it into a 6x6 off-roader, Megarex trucks developed a unique suspension setup, fitted a fully functional extra axle for additional prowess, and added a 4-inch lift kit. The highlights of the build, however, are its military-grade beadlock wheels that cost $5,000 each. These are wrapped in 46-inch tires and are strong enough to withstand bullets and even landmines. In order to fit them, the Megaraptor 6x6 was given a custom body kit all around, including box sides, tailgate, roll bar, metal aprons, fender, and hood. There is also a custom roll bar with a hydraulic ram, which holds a full-size spare wheel. The front and rear aprons carry a whole array of auxiliary lights. When it comes to propulsion, Megarex trucks do not specify exact modifications that were made to the Ford's powertrain, but they do mention the herd size. A completely rebuilt 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine now produces immense 1,013 horsepower. Apocalypse Warlord. Based on the latest RAM 1500 TRX, despite its name, the Warlord is actually one of the less radical projects by the Fort Lauderdale Apocalypse. The apex predator among pickup trucks undergoes a significant transformation, stretching its length to 294 inches and gaining an extra set of wheels, resulting in a towing capacity of 12,000 pounds. Its once 702 HP 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 has been given an Apocalypse-powered boost, now roaring at 750 HP. This enhanced power is channeled to all wheels through the factory 8-speed TorqueFlite transmission. The rear axle was supplied by Dana and is now equipped with rear lockers, while the custom suspension setup adopts active electric Bilstein shocks, one for each wheel. Additional modifications that transform the stock Ram into the formidable Warlord include new 20-inch wheels from Fuel, 37-inch mud tires, and a KC light bar mounted above the cab. The Ram badges are replaced with war lettering, and the interior is elegantly wrapped in new leather upholstery. To make the Warlord truly their own, buyers can choose between several exterior and interior color schemes, including matte black and attractive green for the body, and red-gray or cognac black for the cabin. Esteem Custom Garage's RAM TRX. Force Motorsport has recently rebranded themselves as Esteem Custom Garages and dedicated the company to, I quote, manufacturing and transformation of 6x6 vehicles for celebrities and the world's elite. One of the recent additions to their lineup of conversions is a 300 Grand off-roader based on the RAM TRX. This giant gets a modified 6x6 drivetrain, iBock Fox suspension setup, and hybrid forged 6-lugs wheels by Vossen. At its heart remains the mighty 6.2-liter supercharged SRT Hemi V8 coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission. By the way, if for some reason you are not a fan of Ram trucks, Esteem Custom Garages also carries 6x6 modifications based on the Ford F-150, Jeep Gladiator, and the latest Toyota Tundra. These also get solid suspension setups, extravagant wheels, bodywork augmentations, and accessories for all sorts of adventures. Max Amphibious ATV. Most modern UTVs can cover daily and recreational tasks. But if you need a useful helper that is unlimited in its capabilities, then Max ATVs recommend going for a 6-wheeled model. The brand's vehicles have been crawling the wilderness since 1969, and now the company returns with a new lineup coming in January 2024. At the heart of the every Max ATV lies a non-differential T20 skid steer transmission system designed by BorgWarner. The dual planetary design provides unparalleled traction, mobility, and maneuverability as it transfers full-time drive to all wheels regardless of traction. Also, you will not lose torque from one side to the other on mud or ice. Finally, the T20 allows for a zero-turning radius, both going forward and in reverse. With a fully sealed polyurethane body and buoyant tires, the Max ATV can cross ponds and small water bodies. For specific uses, the model can also be optioned with weatherproof tops, snowplows, or all-season rubber tracks. 6x6 trucks are like hypercars in the world of pickups. Are you dreaming about owning one? If you liked this episode of Automotive Territory, make sure to encourage us to release more content like this by smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. More videos are available through the links on the screen. May the torque be with you!